नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू अदर वीडियो फ्रॉम द इंडियन फ्रीलांसर यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज टैन। आज हम लाइव नहीं करने वाले हैं, तो ये डेफर्ड लाइव वीडियो है, लेकिन लाइव जैसे ही होगा तो शुरू करते हैं। नाउ आपको वीडियो के टाइटल से पता चल गया होगा कि आज हम कौन से मुद्दे पर या फिर कौन सा टॉपिक को लेके बात करने वाले हैं। द टॉपिक ऑफ आवर वीडियो टुडे और आवर डिस्कशन टुडे इज बी ग्रीडी, बी हंग्री। ओके, नाउ ग्रीडी का मतलब है कि नॉट बीइंग ग्रीडी अबाउट अर्निंग मोर मनी. Earning more money is everybody's dream, everybody's plan. Everybody wants to earn money or more money. That is perfectly fine. But when I say be greedy, I'm actually talking about greedy for knowledge. Be greedy to learn more. Okay? And when I'm saying be hungry, I'm talking about being hungry for more work, more to do, different kinds of things to do. ठीक है, कभी भी सेटल नहीं होना चाहिए. Now the idea is that many people ask me what I do in my freelancing life. Okay, what are the things that I do, and I have made a lot of videos telling you what exactly I do. लेकिन उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है जो मैं करता हूँ. Apart from that, there are a lot of things that I do. Now, why do I do so many things? It's not for earning money. I can tell you one thing. Maybe I cannot tell you how much I earn or something, which is obviously not something to be shared online. But then I can tell you something. If I'm doing or if I'm earning from 7 or 8 sources, okay, I'm doing at least 12 things. This I can tell you. Okay, तो मेरे earning sources जो हैं and the things that I work on, they're very different. Different in the sense they're much more. Okay, मैं 12 चीज़ पे या 14 चीज़ पे मैं काम करता हूँ और पैसे मुझे सिर्फ 7 या 8 चीज़ों से आता है. Okay, so it means what? It means that I do not work on everything to be earning from them. Okay, earning is not the sole criteria for doing something. That is the idea, or that's the base thing for this video today. Now the first part is be greedy. You need to be greedy. You need to be always looking to learn more. You should not be settled, or you should not be satisfied with whatever you know. Okay, every day when you wake up from your sleep in the morning, you should be thinking, what is that new thing that I'm going to learn today? What is that new thing that I need to learn? Okay, where I'm going to put my time, where I'm going to put my energy to learn something more. That is the greed, and that greed should never end. Okay, even if you're an old person, old मतलब जो कि like 80 years above है कोई भी, even if you're at that age, I think you should still look to learn more. There are so many things, there are a lot of things in this world to learn. Okay, so be greedy, keep that greed inside you intact, don't let it die. Keep learning new things whatever you find. Okay, ऐसा हो सकता है कि जब आप घर से निकले 10 नया चीज़ आपके सामने मिल सकता है. अभी जैसे कोविड सिचुएशन है, वहाँ पे हम लोग घर से नहीं निकल रहे हैं, ठीक है, वी आर स्टेइंग इनसाइड. बट whenever you get a chance, okay, it's not only that you are going to learn only when you step outside. Whenever you get a chance, keep your senses open, keep yourself ready to learn more. Be greedy, keep your greed live on, don't let that greed die. The second thing is be hungry. Always be hungry to do more, for more work, more different kind of work. Okay, now there are a lot of people who say that I am doing so many things, so I'm not concentrating on one thing, I'm not a master of one particular thing. Exactly my point. That is what I do not want to be. That is my way of thinking. Obviously it's not that you should also think the same way. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आपको भी ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए, but then my way of thinking is that I want to do 20 different things. I want to be a jack of 20 different things. I may not be master of anything, which is perfectly fine for me. Okay, now understand this. There is a quote on my blog. If you go to my blog tanbreeds.blogspot.com, it's still on that domain. If you go there is a quote on that blog. I want you to go there and find out that quote. I'm not telling it completely here. That quote says that at the end of that quote, it says that the specialization is for insects. Okay, only insects are those animals, or those kind of animals who are living on this earth, who are specialized in one particular thing, and they know that best. They're the best people, or the best animals to do that thing. Like honeybees make honey. We can't do it. Humans can't do it. Ants can carry 300 times of their own body weight. We humans can't do it. Okay, so these animals have different kind of uh, features or characteristics which are very specific to them. They are specialized in that particular thing, but they know only that. I do not want to be one of those kinds. I want to be like a human being who can do a lot of things. Okay, so that is my idea. I keep myself hungry for more work, more different kind of work. And it's not that I'm not loyal to any of this work that I'm doing. It's not that कि मैंने 2 साल 4 साल मैंने YouTube वीडियो बनाए, उसके बाद मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा तो मैंने वीडियो बनाना बंद कर दिया. It's not like that. I'll still keep doing that. Maybe if I find something more interesting, I'll spend more time on doing that and less time doing YouTube videos. That's how I plan or prioritize my work. But then I keep looking for different kind of work, different kind of things that I can do. So I keep myself hungry. I keep my hunger inside to do more work, to do more different kinds of work, and I keep enjoying that. That's one goal of my life. So that's the main point that I wanted to talk about in this video today. Be greedy, be hungry. Don't settle. Don't be ever satisfied with whatever you have got, whatever you know, or whatever you do. Don't be satisfied with that. Don't be settled. हमारे यहाँ पे इंडिया में एक कहावत है. It's not a कहावत, it's like a idea of the entire society that anyone who's graduating पढ़ाई लिखाई के बाद, he should be settled. He should get married, have kids, settled. Are you settled? Okay, I'll give you my daughter. That should not be the case. Do not get settled. कभी सेटल नहीं होना ही नहीं है. कभी जैसे ही आपको लगता है कि आप सेटल हो गए हो, do something different, do something more. Okay, if you think that everything is settled, everything is going fine, you are waking up in the morning, you are having food, going to office, or doing your work, even if you are a freelancer, doing your work, at the end of the day you are closing your computer and you are enjoying your family life, then that is wrong. Something is wrong there. Okay, I understand for a lot of people watching this video, this thought may not sink. Okay, you may not be able to relate to this what I'm saying right now, but that is how I have built up my career. That is how I have thought of my own career. That's what I believe in. Okay, so I don't want to be settled. I don't want to be satisfied with what I do today. If I'm doing something, again, it does not matter how much I'm earning. These are two different things. They're two different boxes. Okay, I'm doing different things, and the earning that I'm getting, that is a byproduct of doing all these things. Okay, it's not that I'm doing a particular thing only for earning. Then it will be no different from anyone else who's doing a business or earning money. Okay, all right, so that's the idea. So there is something called comfort zone. Okay, don't get into your comfort zone. Don't let yourself, your mind or body understand that you're in comfort zone, you're settled, everything's going on smoothly, all fine. No, it's not fine. It's not fine because you're not doing something new. You're not doing something which you're not supposed to, or you're not habituated to do. Okay, that's why it's not right. Okay, if you're not learning something, if you're, see, there are a lot of things. When I work on Fiverr, I get some work from a client who says, okay, I want this to be done. I may not actually know that particular skill. I may not actually know or have that particular skill to do his job. But what I do, I don't respond to him directly. I go to YouTube, I find out if there is a solution for it. I learn that thing. If the software that I have, if the resources that I have, will that allow me to do that thing? If I learn it from YouTube and see that I can do it, I tell him the same thing. I need some time. I maybe 50% of it I know, just 50% I need to learn, and then I can deliver. I take up the job. If he gives me, I have the time, I go, I learn, and then I do the job. इसमें जो इंटरेस्ट है, इसमें जो एक्साइटमेंट है, वो रेगुलर काम करने में नहीं है. वो काम कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'm not saying it has to be only freelancing. It can be your job also, right? वो नहीं है. That is my way of thinking. That's how I think. So I don't want you to, or I don't want myself to be satisfied or get into that comfort zone. I want to be out of the comfort zone, because if I not out of the comfort zone, I'll not be able to do different things. Okay, the idea is to do different things, learn different things, know very different piece of things. Recently someone told me that she is learning pottery. I really want to do it, but then I may be not having an option right now. Okay, so that greed is inside me. I want to know how pottery is. Okay, that hunger is inside me. I want to at least create one vessel, one flower vase maybe. But that is what I think, that is how I want to live my life. Okay, so that's how the idea is. So be greedy, be hungry. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, अगर आपको आप सहमत हो whatever I've told, you can also follow this kind of things in your life as well. Okay, so बताइएगा मुझे वीडियो कैसा लगा, बताइएगा कि कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगा, and I would really want to know what you felt, and please comment below. Please let me know what your idea is. I still understand a lot of people will not agree to what I said. I am absolutely fine. You don't have to agree, but then whatever your opinion is, please write it down so that I can also read that and learn more from it. Okay, so वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में पहली बार आए हो और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए, please go ahead and subscribe. I create this kind of videos on freelancing and earning money online and a lot of things from my life like this, and I'm sure you will enjoy those. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Dan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Namaste.